Hey, to measure blood oxygen level on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, you've got actually two methods. The first one, you can actually find this tile with the blood oxygen level. If for some reason you cannot find it, you can also go into the Samsung Health application, open Home. Then you will have to go into the blood oxygen and tap to measure. And now it will actually starts with this information on the watch that we have to actually put it a little bit higher on the wrist. We have to place our elbow on the table and hold our wrist near our hand, our heart, and click OK. Now we just have to stay still and keep calm. Remember to breathe slowly. Before measurement, it will be also recommended to breathe deeply for a few times. And now I've got my result, 99% with the 64 bitrate per minute. And here we can also find with what device we did this measure. And here we can also check this for all days, after exercise, after sleep. We can actually select something. So yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe.